A tour of the cell. Welcome to the incredible world inside a cell. Today, we're taking a quick tour of the parts of the cell. The cell is the smallest unit that can live on its own, and that makes up all living organisms and the tissues of the body. Let's dive into the various parts of the cell and what they do. Plasma membrane. The plasma membrane forms the cell's outer surface, separating the cell's internal environment, everything inside the cell, from the external environment, everything outside the cell. It governs the cell's interactions with other cells and controls the passage of materials into and out of the cell. Nucleus. First stop, the nucleus. Think of this as the cell's control center. It houses DNA, the genetic blueprint that tells the cell what to do, when to grow, and how to reproduce. Mitochondria. Next, we have the mitochondria, often called the powerhouse of the cell. These guys are responsible for generating ATP, the energy currency that powers all cellular activities. Endoplasmic reticulum, ER. Here's the endoplasmic reticulum, which comes in two types: the rough endoplasmic reticulum, which has ribosomes and helps make proteins. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum makes lipids and steroids, such as estrogens and testosterone, and also detoxifies harmful substances. In liver cells, enzymes of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum help release glucose into the bloodstream and inactivate or detoxify lipid-soluble drugs or potentially harmful substances, such as alcohol, pesticides, and carcinogens, cancer-causing agents. In liver, kidney, and intestinal cells, a smooth endoplasmic reticulum enzyme removes the phosphate group from glucose 6-phosphate, which allows the free glucose to enter the bloodstream. In muscle cells, the calcium ions, Ca2+, that trigger contraction are released from the sarcoplasmic reticulum, a form of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Golgi Apparatus. After the endoplasmic reticulum, proteins and lipids head to the Golgi Apparatus, the cell's post office. Here, they're modified, packaged, and sent to their final destinations. Lysosomes. Lysosomes are the cell's cleanup crew. They digest and recycle waste, breaking down old cell parts and other debris to keep the cell tidy and efficient. They provide an intracellular digestive system that allows the cell to digest the following: 1. Damaged cellular structures. 2. Food particles that have been ingested by the cell. And 3. Unwanted matter such as bacteria. Ribosomes. Ribosomes are the cell's protein factories. They read genetic instructions and assemble amino acids into proteins, essential for the cell's structure and function. Cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is the jelly-like substance that fills the cell, providing a medium for the organelles to float in and where many cellular processes occur. And there you have it, a quick tour of the cell parts, each playing a crucial role in keeping the cell alive and functioning. Every part of the cell works harmoniously, making the cell one of nature's most remarkable machines. Thanks for joining the tour. Remember, every part of the cell is vital to life. See you next time. Please like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. For more medical academic insights, register on www.𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐜𝐫𝐢𝐻𝐿.com, the #1 medical e-learning and social platform.